Skylar with Ignite Attachments, and this is our universal quick hitch here. We're going to show you easy way to hook it up to the tractor, and then there's going to be a couple part numbers you might need. This is our bushing kit that'll allow, for example, our trailer mover to make those category 1 pins into a quick hitch compatible pin. So we'll hook those up now and show you how to install the pins. Easiest way I found to install these is remove your pins, have your 3-point all the way down. You just have to wiggle your 3-point connections around a little bit, get everything lined up. There we go. Bottom 2 pins in, move your top pin, and install your top link. As you can see, with our trailer mover installed and without the quick hitch bushings, this thing can just move around, could slide out on you. So what we'll want to do is get the bushings, and we'll install these later, but you'll line up your pins and pound some pins in, and then as you can see, that locks it in real nice and tight. There's 2 holes on here. Line them up with the ones that line up with it fully installed. Roll pin, there's a tapered end on it. Simply line those up and pound them in. Just pound them flat. We'll repeat on the other side and get this installed back on our quick hitch. With our bushings installed, it's now quick and easy to back up, drop off this trailer mover, go pick up your box blade, your land plane, your angle blade, your tine rake. You could have quick hitch set up on all of these, and instead of wrestling with getting the pins in and out of your 3-point and doing your top link every time, lining up your bottom lift arms every time, you can just get yourself a quick hitch and get some bushings for each one of your attachments and make life easy for yourself.